Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we concentrated on physical and chemical change, their identification. Here is a change. When you keep some iron nails in the open, after few months, when you check the nails, you can see the coating of a brown color. A brown layer gets coated on the iron nails, and we comment the nail gets rusted. R-U-S-T, rust. So metal rusting, what type of change is it? Here, metal when exposed in the open, a brown coating is formed, that is the oxide of that particular metal. The metal oxide gets coated over the metal. So it is a new substance. Thus, metal rusting is a chemical change. Okay. So what is the reaction? Iron. If you keep iron nails, iron combines with oxygen in presence of water. In the atmosphere, there are water drops. So, iron plus oxygen in presence of water, rust. Hydrated ferric oxide is formed. Hydrated ferric oxide is the chemical name of rust. Fe2O3 2H2O. Iron gets rusted. A new product, hydrated ferric oxide, is formed. So the change is a chemical. Metal rusting is a chemical change. Another example, take some copper sulfate solution in a beaker. It has a blue color. You drop some iron nails into it. Iron nails black in color. Keep the container for 2-3 days. After 3 days, when you examine the container, the blue colored copper sulfate solution changes the color. You take out the iron nails. The black iron nails get converted into brown content. Here is also a chemical change. That is, iron combines with the blue colored copper sulfate solution. After the reaction, the color of iron nail black changes to brown. The products formed are Fe plus CuSO4, copper sulfate CuSO4. The products are FeSO4, iron sulfate, green in color, plus copper, brown colored copper nail. This is also a chemical change. Okay. So, reaction of iron nail plus copper sulfate solution is another example of a chemical change. And using chemical change, we can prepare pure substances. If you need pure copper sulfate crystals, we can do a chemical change, that is crystallization. Fill copper sulfate powder in a beaker of water, add 1 or 2 drops of sulfuric acid and heat the content. After half an hour's heating, cool the content and let it be there. After some days, when you examine, you can see pure copper sulfate gets crystallized from the solution. So this chemical change prepares pure copper sulfate solid. Okay, so in a chemical change, always new substances are formed. It is permanent, it is irreversible, and there are changes occurred. Heat changes occurred, there is the evolution of smoke or gas, sound may be produced, there may be changes in temperature. Okay, but in a physical change, it is temporary, reversible, and no new products are formed. Okay, that's all today. Thank you.